Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to log out of Score Hero. If you want to log out of the Score Hero game, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Score Hero game on your device, and once you're inside the main home screen, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and from the expanded menu select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll be able to see a Sign Out button. Simply tap on it to sign out of your account. Confirm that you want to sign out by tapping Sign Out in green on the right corner, and that's it. You will be able to sign out of your Score Hero game. You can then log in with a different account if you want. So that is how you easily sign out or log out of Score Hero. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.